Concordia, the Institute for Business and Society at UVA's Darden School of Business, and the U.S. Department of State's Secretary's Office of Global Partnerships created the P3 Impact Award to recognize partnerships that are changing our world in the most impactful of ways. Through the award, our collaboration strives to better understand the mechanisms and best practices of the modern P3.
The judges assessed applications based on each partner's structure, impact, innovative features, and scalability. We were really impressed by the number, but more importantly, by the quality of the applications. From a meat supply partnership in Bangladesh to an education technology program in Guatemala, all the applicants demonstrated to us the importance of P3 in addressing the world's most difficult and complex social and economic challenges. While all applicants demonstrated to us this important endeavors, we finally and ultimately had to come to just 5 finalists. The African Diaspora Marketplace, CocoLink, the Coca-Cola World Wildlife Fund Freshwater Initiative, the Global Alliance for Clean Cook Stoves, and Wireless Access for Health. Representatives from these partnerships are here with us today, and you can identify them with their brown credentials. These 5 innovative partnerships are reflected in the artwork beside me, which was designed by crowdspring.com. Each panel represents one of our finalists and blends together in a P3 mural. The 5 finalists are also highlighted in a special report entitled Ideas to Action, which is now available on your event pads. The report features leading practices and actionable insights of the award finalists, and we're going to use them to develop teaching cases and other materials to share and advance best practices with other public-private partnerships around the world. We encourage you to take the time today to reach out to our 5 finalists and learn from them about the powerful impact their partnerships are having in the world today.
The winner of this award stood out because of the innovative use of technology and a careful alignment of partners' interests and strengths. We are thrilled to present the very first P3 Impact Award to CocoLink.
CocoLink benefits the farmers in various ways. It provides messaging directly to their cell phones on productivity issues, which will enable them to improve their cocoa production. Ghana's Cocoa Board has developed training manuals and a cocoa calendar to guide farmers in seasonal activities that they need to take care of on their farms. And so CocoLink is taking content from the cocoa calendar and providing it in a way that farmers can easily get access to it and understand it. They will also provide social messaging to them, issues such as child labor, HIV/AIDS, and reproductive health issues, basically issues of concern to the farmers. We have almost 70% of cocoa farmers who own phones already, so it's a really good opportunity for us to use technology in this program. It will absolutely make a difference for the cocoa farmers. It gives them information real time at times when it's the rainy season and extension agents have difficulty going out to communities. This program provides the means to send information to the farmers. It also provides the Ghana Cocoa Board the opportunity for farmers to report disease outbreaks to control such disease outbreaks. Hershey is the main funder for this program. They're investing $600,000 in a 3-year program. I know Hershey believes in education and improving the lives of people, and this program is directly going to be doing that.
Representing the Hershey Company is Senior Vice President and Chief Growth and Marketing Officer, Mike Wege. Representing the World Cocoa Foundation is Manager of Special Programs and Evaluation, Lauren Estenso. Representing the Government of Ghana is William Anani Obochi of the Embassy of Ghana.
On behalf of the Hershey Company and CocoLink, I'd like to thank you very much for this tremendous recognition. We're honored and humbled to receive the P3 Impact Award for 2014. I'd like to thank the University of Virginia Darden School of Business's Institute for Business and Society, Concordia, and the U.S. Department of State Secretary's Office of Global Partnerships. I'd also like to recognize and thank our program partners, particularly the Ghana Cocoa Board and the World Cocoa Foundation, for their efforts in helping us to connect more than 1,700 cocoa communities across Ghana through this tremendous program we call CocoLink. Most of you know Hershey as a global confectionery company that brings goodness to the world through its chocolate, sweets, mints, and other great-tasting snacks, with iconic brands that include Hershey's Chocolate, Kisses, Reese's, Jolly Rancher, and Icebreakers, to name just a few. What you may not know is that from our founding in 1894 by Milton Hershey, we've been deeply committed to good business by operating fairly, ethically, and sustainably to make a positive impact on society. This means contributing to a better life for our employees, our consumers, our communities, and ultimately creating a bright future for children in need. This final commitment is well exemplified by Milton Hershey School, which was established in 1909 by our founder to help children in need. This award is particularly meaningful for all of us at the Hershey Company. CocoLink's success in improving the lives of smallholder cocoa farmers, their families, and communities is directly attributable to the power of P3, public-private partnership. From the very beginnings of this innovative idea we called CocoLink, we believed that a public-private approach would be the most effective way to harness the power of mobile technology to improve farming and communities while enhancing literacy and digital learning. We knew that without the support and ownership of the local government and NGOs working on the ground, this would not succeed. That a public-private partnership that truly involved and engaged the Ghanaian government would be the only way the program could effectively be launched and sustained. Our idea was to bring both public and private partners together for shared buy-in and shared ownership. Importantly, we wanted the Ghanaian government to fully onboard because our vision was to hand the program over to them to own and run once the program was up, running, and successful. That has now happened. And the program is being fully run by the Ghanaian government, ensuring its long-term sustainability. The simplicity of CocoLink is its effectiveness to use low-cost mobile technology to increase knowledge and reduce communities' isolation. The continuous feedback from community trainers and farmers allows us to make rapid improvements and measure impact with greater precision than had ever previously been possible. It has helped to improve farmers and their families' lives and is bringing modern farming to the rural cocoa fields. And it has brought public and private partners together through a common and achievable cause. Once again, thank you all very much.
Earlier this year, the U.S. Department of State's Secretary's Office of Global Partnerships, Concordia, and .co partnered to celebrate Global Partnerships Week, an annual global celebration of public-private partnerships. During 1 week each March, GPW inspires public and private organizations everywhere through local, national, and global activities designed to help them explore their potential as shared value collaborators. Through physical and virtual events, research releases, and public engagement, Global Partnerships Week highlights the power of P3s to address some of the world's most pressing issues.
This year, we are very proud to announce that USAID will be joining our collaboration. With its global presence and its commitment to P3s, particularly through its Center for Transformational Partnerships, USAID is the perfect addition to the GPW team. Together with USAID, we aim to make GPW 2015 even more global and more engaging than previous years. Representing USAID here today is Ricardo Michel, who is the Director of the Center for Transformational Partnerships. Ricardo?
Thank you, Natalie. Good afternoon, everyone. GPW 2015 will take place from March 9th through the 15th, 2015, and kick off with a Global Partnership Collective at the Department of State, a gathering of partnership practitioners and leaders from governments, multilateral organizations, civil society, and private companies around the world and across many different disciplines. Each following day, events will take place in a different country hosted by U.S. embassies, USAID missions, and partner organizations, and cover a different topic related to partnerships. The challenges and opportunities facing our world today are immense. Advancing sustainable social and economic impact require ideas, skills, and capabilities that no one sector alone possesses. We look forward to Global Partnerships Week as one of the many ways we are working together to expand the effective use of public-private partnerships and to achieve these goals and improve communities around the world. As we finalize host countries and programming, we welcome your participation and support and encourage you to stay tuned to the p3.co website for upcoming events and developments for that week. Thank you very much.
So thank you to everyone who joined me on the stage here today, and congratulations again to our first ever P3 Impact Award finalist, CocoLink. Now we'll be having 4 fascinating strategy sessions, so I encourage you to get up and head down to the second floor for one of the sessions. Thank you.